So, when everything started, when the rain came here in our service station, I'm really happy that my people in that moment were in their houses. I'm from Ukraine, and at the beginning it was crisis, 2008. Then we had first war, then we had COVID, then we had war in 2022, and we decided with our family to change place of living. I came here, I started one more business, local business, and now we have these troubles. But anyway, this is life. 2-3 days we will clean up and we will start work from the scratch. So everything is fine, everyone alive, and this is the main thing. This is small disaster.